Okay. I'm not doing the onion because I'm afraid.
What is this?
You told me to mince the garlic.
Okay.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Giada De Laurenta. I've seen it enough, I think.
Okay. Have you ever
Ready?
done this? Have you ever done this before?
I've never done this before. But I've watched it on Food Network.
Okay.
Okay. I swear she just does this. I'm going to do it.
Okay, go. Do it.
I swear to God, that's what she does, I'm afraid.
Right, do it. Okay.
Did it work?
And then what do you do? Yeah, that's it. That's good. And then what else?
Then
what
it's
else?
supposed to peel off.
We'll do the other one. Yeah.
I don't want to spend
Okay, now peel it.
in Nyack Hospital.
Okay, so peel it.
Okay.
Peel.
It's supposed to just come off, she says.
It does come on. Just
Just.
come off.
I'm doing it.
You did
It
it.
really works.
What are you making?
Oh my God. Susan, I did it.
That's awesome.
Now what?
The next one.
Oh my God. That was it? Oh, I could cook. I could cook.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Well, now you have to mince it fine.
See? It pays off watching the Food Network.
Okay.
Okay. Here. And I see how they use a knife.
Okay, so you got to throw that away.
Okay. So that will keep here.
Well, you have to mince it now. So
I
how
thought
do
you wanted the ends off.
Well, you have to
first.
cut the ends off, but
I don't have to?
Yes, you do.
All right, so I'm going to
Okay, so
cut
how
the
do you
ends.
how do you hold the knife?
I'll show you. I've watched the Food Network.
Mm-hmm.
Is that good enough?
It's great.
Okay. And I think you're supposed to leave your point. You do it like this. The point, this stays always down.
Yeah, what do you do?
You just...
Yeah. I don't think that's gonna. I don't think it's
No,
on
it's
the floor.
working. It's working.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Here, wait. Let's do this.
Can I offer you some help?
There. Boom, boom, boom.
But you're cutting the other ones that you haven't cut the tips and tails.
So is it like this?
Yeah. You make that noise too.
I don't know how they do it. They don't move this.
Mm-hmm. Well, you don't hold it because you'll rip your hand open.
You don't hold it down?
No. Do you want me to show you?
Oh, you do that thing. Like
Yeah,
you bend your
I'll
finger.
show you.